Hini kesini na kaliang unong yalam kaliang Pynshisha u Dr.Mukul Sangma haringkat kejanya senran lang uba Himalaya Shangpliang MLA Kamal Sendram ba Mahindro Rapsang MLA ke West Shillong Miani di Shira MLA ke Ampati bat uba Mirror Bonds Aim MLA ke Nongpo uba Balajit Rani MDC ke Nongpo bat kiwe kila hiar biang sachisin Shayong Kuli ban niat kendu bat wat banyak nekipat ba basa akatan halor ke jingjia syak tombor haki pulit ke Assam dang haka alpun riu terik jong benai naitung da kebat lepin kelem naduk terai yaki ding pos elektrik ki balamang ban sambording haki Shillong kaput jong ke jela Meghalaya. Habakren cikilat papai kubor u Dr.Mukul Sangma ula kren syai bekejingi pendek put hapadeng kini ki ar jela kedai ban long nabaro arliang kamdei ban la Shillong ulai tu ban nakaliang ke kongres haki kendiat senem bermenchua hakapol pa udang bat kum menteri rang ba ke jela kiladat ban penbiang ye ki kot ki pata Jaka baro ban Pynshisha bekini ki Jaka bahap hapok ke jenge kenat kidang dei ki Jaka ke Meghalaya. Badi kini ki kot kisla ladat ban ai syaki bor penyat ke jela Assam Henry klem la ban lei haduk menta menne. Ula kentui ke sorkar jela bakadei ban nyat bet kat kum ki jingtho bat ki kot ba ke jela Meghalaya kadon. Shushu ulaong ba menteri rang ba ke jela udai ban ra bat penpau ye kini ke jenge kendu ki he jeng ki ar jela ke ban longshen hakan riu terik unailar ar hajar ar puwe.
The whole exercise that is expected to happen whenever a discussion starts with an intent to resolve this long-standing problem pertaining to this Assam-Meghalaya border issue. We understand that resolving this kind of issue is not such an easy task because it has to be mutually agreed upon. It cannot be one-sided, definitely. That's why you are discussing with the counterpart. Therefore, we'll have to look at what is acceptable. Now, what is acceptable means what is acceptable to the people. Okay. What is acceptable to the people is the only parameter which should be the guiding principle to arrive at any solution. The moment we decide on anything which is not acceptable to the people, then it will amount to imposition. For that matter, why is these areas of difference along Assam-Meghalaya border? Because the people of the state disagrees to accept whatever interstate border was demarcated by the Survey of India, based on the Northeastern Reorganization Act 1971. Therefore, this has to be discussed and arrived at in a manner which is acceptable to the people. And in order to justify the claim, in order to substantiate our claim over the areas which we are claiming as part of Meghalaya, today I must tell you that exhaustive exercise have been already made by the state government when I was the Chief Minister. Okay. And a very comprehensive documentation has been prepared in order to substantiate our claim over all those areas which we claim as part of Meghalaya, to justify that these parts of, these parts which are falling within the areas of differences belong to Meghalaya. Okay, the whole documentation to justify our claim has already been prepared and submitted to Assam government, based on which we should discuss, and Assam has sought time to study those documentation. They have taken time. Now, the discussion, when they sit and discuss, it should be on the basis of this documentation, because these documentation are based on the claim over the land by our people. Okay, so they already have a ready-made documentation which should be able to guide both the governments, and I hope they will take